Hey, what are you doing in our...
Shush, shush. Hey, Max, before you say anything, can you hand me those ears that are in the bag?
The dog ears or the cat ears?
Cat ears. Stat.
This is so creepy. Even for you.
Yep, but it had to be done.
What had to be done?
You know, just a little... Purrsuasion.
What?
Oliver hasn't gotten a teeth cleaning in years, so I'm doing something about it.
So he hasn't been to the dentist? How did he hear us with headphones?
It's that bad, so I've decided to let science do the work. Over here I have audio files, cat, dog, pony, you name it. And each one has a hypnosis track behind it, so I'm currently playing the cat one for him.
I'm so lost. Is he turning into a cat?
Please, there's nothing conversing about it.
Your words are poison and vile.
I've been playing this recording for the past hour or so as he slept. The voice is molding his mind to make him temporarily believe he's a cat, starting when he wakes up in a minute.
Oh, and then you could bring him to the dentist. And then you could bring him to the D word.
I'm positive.
I think I'm going to throw up.
Grabbing the milk and the string from the fridge.
I know you like controlling him, but this is a little much.
How are you feeling, Ollie Cat?
Meow.
See? He's perfect. Let's go.
Yes, please, get out of here.
You know, I think I like you a lot better this way. For once, you're not running off. For once.
Meow.
You said it.
Meow.
We'll be at the D word in no time. We'll be at the D word in no time.
And then you could bring him to the D word.
Gotten a teeth cleaning in years.
And then you could bring him to the dentist. He hasn't been to the dentist? Dentist?
Meow.
Ollie, I thought we were done with this.
Meow.
No more procrastination. We're going to the dentist. It's final.
Meow.
Well, this is what happens when you run off. And we're finally here. See? We'll be done in no time. Max?
Rough.
Ugh! You gotta be kidding me.